Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So today tutorial is going to be me making myself. Like it's going to be me making me. Today's tutorial is I'm going to make a dress form. Yeah, I wanted to have a dress form, a mannequin, but you know, if you need to buy, it is very expensive. And also when you go to buy a mannequin, it may not be the same size measurement as you. This is the mannequin I used to have, you know. This mannequin is not my size. It's not my size, and it is very complicated, you know. When I saw, for example, a cloth for a client, you know, not everyone is going to send you a picture. So before just giving back the cloth to your client, you need to take a picture so that you can post on your socials. And for me, I was struggling with that, because if I don't get a pic from a client, and if I did not take a pic before I give back the cloth, I will not have any picture, you know. So guys, I was really struggling with that, and this one, it was impossible. It was impossible because it is just like this. It's like this. I don't have anywhere to put it. I was really struggling, and actually regret, like, I don't regret, but I really regret, you know. Maybe I have regrets. So I regret buying this one, but I don't fully regret, because you know, it has been useful to me sometimes, but also other times, like, I want to make a dress form, because this one is not useful all the time. So I need to make my own dress form. That dress form is going to be a challenge. Maybe this is going to be a challenge. It is a challenge actually. So making my own dress, my mini me. So I'm excited to challenge myself. You know, I love to challenge myself. I love that, to challenge myself, and I'm so excited for that challenge. I'm so ready, and I do have some. As you can see, I was like taking. I have now to take measurements, and this is the fabric I'm going to. This is the fabric I'm going to make my dress form. It is a chocolate one, but I wanted to have a black fabric, but you know, it is good. And I do have this one. It's going to be helpful. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I'm so excited. This is a challenge, and if I need to finish this challenge by tomorrow, I do hope. So let me just start very quickly and hope to show you the process. Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So this is another day, and as you can see, I finally have the stand with me. Oh my god, I'm so happy. You know, this was the one thing remaining for me to finish making my dress form, but now I do have the stand, so I can finish making my dress form, and I'm so happy and at the same time excited because, you know, I'm so excited to see the result. I've been wanting to have a dress form for a long time. I was like trying to buy a mannequin. I was trying to buy a mannequin dress, but you know, it's very expensive. So it's good to have like something that you can still have to make dress. And you know guys, I always wanted to have a mannequin dress or a dress form, but because it's very expensive, you know guys, I need to be wise how I spend my money. So instead of buying things that are very expensive, why not making one? So I'm so excited. I'm finally making my own dress form, and I'm so excited to see the result. Let me just show you the process of, you know, finishing making my dress form. And yeah, I'm so excited. I hope that you'll be able to make your own too, instead of spending, you know, much money when you are still a beginner. So why not making your own? It's good to make your own, you know. Yeah, let me just finish making my own dress form. Let's go. I'm going to like make a circle here in the middle, but the circle will be having the measurement of the stand, you know. So let me show you. Oh, so I'm going to make the measurement of the stand so that I can put the circle here, because it's going to enter like this. almost done, but it's still remaining this part, so I'm about to finish it and I'm so excited. Look, oh my goodness. Guys, I'm done. So let me show you the rule and take pictures. Guys, it's time to take pictures and let me show you the final result. As you can see, this is my dress form. Oh my goodness, we have the same height. Like, look. I finally have my own dress form. No need to buy a mannequin dress. So I'm so excited to take pictures and so excited just to take you along as I'm taking pictures. So guys, this is the end of the video and this was a challenge and I'm so proud of myself because I did that. So if you watched till the end, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like this video and share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.